Kia ora, nau mahara mai ki tēnei rōpū, reo atu reo mai ko Education Te Toi Tupu. This is a quick video clip showing you how to access our Tirohanga Whānui pages for ngā Kōwae Ako. Whakapātu ki tēnei hononga, ngā Kōwae Ako. Ko tai koe ki tēnei whārangi, the main contents page. If you scroll down, you will see within each Kōwae Ako, there is a link to the Tirohanga Whānui page. So we'll just use this one for now. We'll click in there. And you'll get to this main page, which gives you a really good overview of what's contained within each Kōwae Ako. So within Te Reo Kori, we have the Kōnae Ako. This is the first one, Te Kōwhiri Kaitākaro. You also have a link to that space. On the right, you have an overview of what's contained within the Kōnae Ako. So the kiwaha, the whakatauki, the kupu whakarite, and what the arongo reo is focused on. If you scroll down, there are also some examples of activities that are linked to Te Marautanga o Aotearoa. So if you keep scrolling right to the bottom, you'll see that there's information there for each Kōnae Ako within the Kōwae Ako. Kia ora.